Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita. Thanks a lot for dropping by my channel and also for all the loving messages, response, emails. So I'm back here with another pick a card reading for you people, and this is to let you know the messages from your person. But before we move forward with the reading, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Please share the channel too. Also, please comment in the video so that you get a chance to get random general readings from me, through videos. You could put in your requests also. I'll be happy to take readings for you. So I've made 3 piles here. It's a pick a card reading. This is pile number 1, the Art of Tarot deck with the green jade crystal on top. This is pile number 2, the Rider Waite Tarot deck with the Tiger's Eye crystal on top. And this is pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck with the Rose Quartz crystal on top. So you could just, relax, choose your piles, think about your person before you choose the pile. The more you try and connect with the piles, with the person, that will help you to, get accurate readings and get accurate answers, the messages coming through your person. And also please remember that these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. I'm going to also mention the timestamps in the description below. So I'll see you at your pile. So let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 1, the Art of Tarot deck with the green jade crystal on top. That's the green jade crystal. And you could just think about your person while I shuffle the cards for you. People who've chosen pile number 1, I see that, your relationship was really going well. And, things have just come down with a bang. Things, there might have been some issue that has cropped up in your relationship. There has been something and some issue has come. And your person is just looking for a patch up. That's the message for you. Your person is definitely longing to clear out things. Your person is longing for a patch up. Your person wants to meet you. They want to connect with you. They want to clear the misunderstanding. They want to bring back the balance that was there in this relationship earlier. And maybe, it was one of the perfect relationships at one time. You meant the world to your person. You still mean the world to your person. And whatever issues, maybe it's a clash, maybe it's a ego hassle, maybe something has definitely happened and it's just come down. You're shattered. Your person is shattered. Mainly your person is really shattered at this point in time because of this whole problem, and they're longing to just get things right. They're longing to get everything back. Also, I see that they're waiting for some unexpected news for them. They are unexpectedly trying to make this partnership work. They want things to get back. They want this partnership to move again. They're in a lot of stress. They are broken. This burden is killing them, of being away from you, or things have taken a bad shape at this point in time. So there's a lot of stress, there's a lot of burden, and all their efforts are maybe just happening in vain because they are just in pieces. So the next 28 days from now, you and your person, I definitely see you again. And either it's going to be you who's going to make the first move or your person who's going to make the first move. It doesn't really matter, because at the end of the day, your person is definitely going to come out with a plan, and they are just trying to mix, first of all, sort out this whole problem that's actually come up, and then they will be there with a solution on the platter. They will be there to execute things. And also, I see divine intervention coming in this relationship. I see that the Almighty is also going to support your person in helping you and your person to get better, to get together. So yes, there is dullness, there is stagnancy, the road is unknown. For a lot of you, it's going to be just, it could be a trust issue that's happened. It could be a mistrust. There's a blame game going on, or there's something like a, drift which has come because of some kind of a secret action that's happened, or some misunderstanding which has led to this confusion and has definitely shaken your person up. Definitely, I see your person really shaken up, and whether your person, these are general readings, and in relationships especially, at times the cards just change for each other. So sometimes it's more like your feelings and your person's feelings are just getting up, but that's because you both are together in this relationship, and it's you both, it's just not his feelings or her feelings or your feelings. It's about amalgamation of both your feelings together as a bond. That's what the cards then tend to give out answers as. So both the energies are there in this scenario at this point in time. So it could be the relationship going haywire because of any of you, but yes, your person is shattered because of this whole situation that has fallen, and this whole relationship that has just come down with a thud. They're just taking some time. They're just trying to tell you that they are firstly wanting a patch up. They want to meet you. They want to reconnect with you unexpectedly. They want this thing to just, they want this chapter to just close and a new beginning to start with you. They want this partnership to start blooming again. They definitely see a family life with you together. They definitely see you both together as one entity, as the broader picture. And it's just taking them time to reconnect, to build this puzzle again, that as to what has actually gone wrong and how it can be solved. They want celebration to happen between you both, and I see celebration happening. And by the end of it, I definitely see you and your person together. I definitely see that the bond between you and your person is going to get stronger, and love is definitely brimming in this relationship. Your cup is going to be full of love, people who've chosen pile number 1. So just give some time to your person. Understand that they are not wrong. They're not in that, they're just trying to explain. Give them that one chance. Good fortune is entering your life very soon. So let this, let your negativity or let your closed doors now open for your person. Invite your person, invite this magic of good fortune coming in your life. And also understand that it's good to stand up for yourself. It's good to stand up for the relationship. But you also need to give a person, you must be having your own set of values, your own set of norms, but you need to give your person a second chance. You need to hear out your person. You need to understand what is in their mind also. And also understand that just be grateful that you have such a wonderful person. So you need to be grateful to the Almighty, who's even trying to get things sorted out. Get ready for a positive change. You need to move forward. You need to think about this, like, just let be bygones, just let them be. Let bygones be bygones, because that's what the cards are telling you, that you need to give your person a second chance. Your person's message is loud and clear. They are wanting a chance. They want to explain things. They want to patch up. They want to reconnect with you. They want a reunion, and that's what the cards are also showing, that you and your person are going to be together soon. So move forward to the positive change, and I hope that things get better between you and your person very soon. People who've chosen pile number 1, I hope this reading was resonant with you and is going to be helpful and beneficial for you as well as your person. And please leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section. Also like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. You could just leave in your comments for doing general readings in the comments section. I'll just choose you randomly. The more your name is seen in the various videos I make, I will definitely give you a chance. And thanks a lot for dropping by once again. Take care and stay safe. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2, the Rider-Waite Tarot deck with the Tiger's Eye crystal on top. So just think about your person while I shuffle the cards for you. Messages from your person. People who've chosen pile number 2, your person is definitely in a mode of celebration, and they are, maybe they've been in a zone of thinking too much, and are trying to control things the way they want to. They want to, they're trying to set things the way they want to, and maybe they had to they're just planning out a lot of things. Maybe some situations are not in their hands, so just they are trying to give it time. But it's very clear that even if a drift or a slight negative phase, or I should say a slight stagnancy, has come between you and your relationship, for some of you it might would have just come and gone. You would have not even felt it. maybe there was a little change in the behavior, but mostly things were fine between you and your person. So your person is definitely wanting this relationship to be a success, and they're working towards it. You definitely mean the world to them, and maybe they've had to face a lot of struggle in the past between you, between you both, because of other people or because of whatever societal issues, pressures, their own burdens in life. So now they're just looking for a celebration, a celebration between you and them, and they just want this struggle to fade away. And also, again, I'm saying that these are general readings, so like some of you, I said that you might have not even seen the change of behavior in your person, but for some of you there would have been a patch, or there would be a patch that's going on where you must be feeling that your person is trying to be a little aloof, your person is maybe hiding things from you, or is just walking away from the relationship or the situation. Maybe you're feeling that your person is in a different zone. So it's basically that they are right now in their own hustle bustle of things, in their own trying to sort out their own responsibilities. They're trying to weigh a lot of pros and cons that are prevalent in their life, a lot of things that they need to balance out, they need to make choices. But soon there would be a new beginning in this relationship, and I definitely see that your person has left things to the divine. So please make sure that you and your person are not getting into arguments. Please don't get into arguments, issues, and confusions, either both of you, or even don't get influenced by people around you, because then I see the relationship just going down with a bang. I need you to understand that your person has their own set of priorities apart from you too. So the message for you is very clear, that you need to trust your person. You need to believe that there is a life beyond you also, and they can't just give everything or all their time to you. Maybe especially for women who've chosen pile number 2, you need to understand that you cannot put pressure on your person, on your male counterparts. You cannot just expect them to give you all their time. It's especially for women. There's this feeling of burden, or I should say a feeling of being caught in a situation wherein they're not even being able to breathe. Maybe there's a lot of pressure, there's a lot of suffocation that they are feeling in the relationship, and that's why they're just taking this time out. And if there will be this pressure which will keep on going, your person might just want to, this relationship might just come down with a bang. So just be aware that you do not put this kind of an overburdening pressure. If there is a little stagnancy in your relationship, it's absolutely fine. Just let your person breathe, give them some time, let them figure out things for themselves. They have a lot of things on their plate which they need to balance. They need to see a lot of things before committing to you, or just giving you all the time also. You are there. They have this feeling that you are there, and of course you mean the world to them, but there are other things too which you need to understand. People who've chosen pile number 2, 24 days from now, for a lot of you, you and your person are in a happy relationship, a happy space. For a lot of you, I see some kind of a societal gathering, a societal celebration. Like I said in the beginning also, that your person definitely wants a celebration with you, but they need to figure out a lot of things. They need time to settle a lot of things before they can just jump into this relationship and take it forward. And also please remember that you and your person are definitely going to be together. The card of the Lovers is out here for people who've chosen pile number 2, so that definitely shows me that you both are meant to be. New opportunities, new beginnings in your life within the next 24 days between you and your person. And also very soon I see this some kind of an arrangement, some kind of a celebration on the cards between you and your person, for you and your person. So till that time, just don't get impatient, and don't get confused whether your person is wanting to be with you or not, or just don't be in that zone of always being in agitation, or trying to put your person in a spot wherein it just gives them a lot of stress. So you need to just give it some time and don't have too many expectations. I'm sure a lot of you are feeling that your person is just walking away from the relationship, or feeling going away, but understand that they are really working hard for the relationship and for a lot of other things which have to go hand in hand with this relationship. So believe and give them time. And 3.5 weeks, like I said before, 28 days, 24 days, I'm again repeating, 3.5 weeks from now, you and your person are definitely gonna, have a new phase, a new beginning, bring in love in the situation. So that's what the cards are also saying, that understand this situation, deal it with love, and with understanding. If you show your person that you understand, there will definitely be things to be cheerful and make memories. Also remember that you need to just relieve all the negativity and all the mistrust or all the negative thoughts that are coming into your mind regarding your person at this point in time. Your goal is to be together, and that's what your person is also very clear, that they want to be with you. This is the goal. So by you just pushing them, by just cribbing or just putting pressure on them or trying to control them, nothing is going to come out of this situation. It's just going to make things worse for you. Maybe you just need to meditate. People who've chosen pile number 2, just meditate, contemplate a lot of things, make your you also have your focus clear, that apart from your person also there are a lot of things. So contemplate on the other things in life also, and the answers that you need are coming to you very soon, and a new start is coming in this relationship very soon for people who've chosen pile number 2. That's what the Moonology cards are also confirming. So just be patient, and I hope you and your person are able to start this new start very soon, and I wish you all the best. And do send in your comments and feedback in the comments section. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And also you could send in your preferences for getting general readings done as videos from me. And if I see your name in many of my videos, I'll definitely give you a random. I'll just choose you, pick you randomly and choose you to make a general reading. Just send me your question and I'll make the reading for you. Thank you so much once again for dropping in by my channel, and I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Take care and stay safe. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck with the rose quartz crystal on top. Let's see what your person needs to message you, what your person is sending out to you. Think about your person. The more you think about your person, it helps you to get the right cards for your person and the accurate answers come your way. People who've chosen pile number 3, I see that your person has really gone through a rough patch in the relationship or otherwise. And there's been a lot of burden on their heads in the past few maybe weeks, days, months. It could be anything, to each their own. These are general readings, so the time period may vary. Maybe it's just the relationship that's really gone through a tough time. It's gone through a lot of stress, and your person has been very stressed because of this burden that's coming from the past. But for a lot of you, the situation has come under control. The new beginning has already taken place. And for some of you, it is definitely on the cards, and your person is wanting a change. They are wanting to, they want that the universe should just let this magic come back in the relationship. You are the one, your person is definitely positive towards you, and their feelings, their love, or, you mean everything to them. All that is there in the cards, and their feelings, of taking this relationship forward or celebrating with you, taking it forward. Like I said, they're working towards it, and it's there on the cards. But maybe there are a lot of things which are blocking them. Maybe it's their past, maybe it's their other scenarios which are blocking them. Maybe it's a confusion that's there on their mind, and they're not just getting the right, they're not in the right framework. And again, I'm repeating that they have definitely gone through a very rough patch, either in the relationship or otherwise. So there's been an involvement maybe of a lot of other people in this relationship, maybe relatives, friends, family, influencers who've played a negative role in the relationship. So your person is just taking a back seat, and they're just really fed up of this whole negativity that's around them. You know, they want to be with you, but they want this whole scenario to change. They want movement. They want this situation to take a shift now. Maybe you and them together, but their message is clear that they just want that alone time with you, that you know, that you and your person, that's what it has to be, that's what your person is longing for. And 3.5 weeks from now, I definitely see a new beginning. There's going to be peace in this relationship, which since long might have not been there. And I'm again repeating, people who've chosen pile number 3, you need to understand that other people should not be a part of your relationship. So if you feel that there is an involvement of a lot of other people who are not required, a third person, a family member, maybe a group of people who are just, you know, influencing, who are just talking, who are just putting pressure on you, whatever it could be anything, but your person is just fed up. They want you to understand that it's just you and, you know, them, it's not anybody else. And they're wanting to create a balance, they're wanting to create a harmony, a peaceful relationship between you and them. And that's why it's, you know, the involvement of so many people, it's leading them to, you know, it's leading them to a lot of confusion. They're just not being able to make the decision even whether it's the right thing or no, because they're under too much stress, they're under too much burden. And you need to understand this, people who've chosen pile number 3, and stand by your person, support them, and, you know, ease off this burden. Maybe they've got so much in their mind, maybe, you know, it's more like they've seen success, they've been successful, but they are not even being able to share this success with anybody, because they just don't feel that anybody is there who is actually theirs, or, you know, that one person who they are really wanting to be with is also maybe influenced by a lot of people. So what they are really longing for is that they want the relationship to be successful, they want to be victorious, but you know, their major victory will be that you as a person stand by them, you as a person understand their mind, you as a person is able to understand what they exactly want. So try and understand and you know, help your person to keep alive, keep that fire burning in them, because, you know, if that support won't be there, maybe that effort of really taking this relationship forward or really working towards this relationship for a celebration might just fade away. So your person is expecting for an, you know, is expecting a sudden change, or they are just expecting something to come from somewhere, you know, unexpected fortunes that they are expecting to come. But 18 days from now, I definitely see this negative period, you know, phase that's come in your life, or this stagnancy that's come in your life, or your relationship vanishing. And 2 months from now, for a lot of you, things are going to get better, things are going to get settled for you. But you need to give the time and space to your person, and need to also be with them, you know, support them. Maybe they don't need time, maybe they don't need space, but it's just that what they need is only you, and not the other people, and not the other advices that other people are trying to give out to them. And they need to release their negativity, which, you know, they must be having a lot of emotional trauma, emotional turmoil, a lot of emotions, negative emotions, which are just stuck in them, and they need to be released. So that can only be done once, you know, you give them that support. And I see that your person is wanting this partnership to go further, they want their relationship to move further, but without the help of any third person, without any third person interfering in this relationship. And they just wanted that it should be approved by society, there should be a, you know, societal ceremony, but only when you both are ready. You know, do not put pressure on your person just for the sake of people putting pressure on you. Do not give your person that much stress. People who've chosen pile number 3, you know, your person might just be feeling that they want to be alone, they want to walk away, because the person who really matters to them is also not able to understand their plight, their situation, their, you know, issues, whatever it is. So yes, 1 month, 28 days for a lot of you, 3.5 weeks, it's all coming to the same time. I definitely see things getting better. The start for a lot of you will take place within the next 18 days, and your relationship, your person, you both together are going to be back to where you were, to a very, you know, to in a positive environment. But you need to just support your person, that's very important. Give them the time, give them your energy, you know, release their negativity, release their you know, negative emotions, the turmoil that they are facing. And let's see what the miracle cards are also guiding you, what your person is trying to tell out, and what is the guidance coming for you. So your miracles are happening very soon. Expect miracles to happen, but you need inner guidance. People who've chosen this particular pile, maybe you're not just looking beyond yourself. There's so much of societal stress, societal pressure going on, maybe on, especially on you, and because of you it's coming on your person also. So you need to stop getting into that. You need to look beyond these things and then think about what you both really want. Maybe you still need to give each other time. You need to just enjoy this relationship before just getting into something unnecessary which is not important at this point in time. Also remember that very soon this whole relationship is going to get very magnetic, vibrant vibrations, positive vibrations from the universe, and it's definitely going to grow further, and you both will be in a better place emotionally also, mentally also, and together you will be able to enjoy this time together. So just let other people be, and you need to expect inner guidance, people who are in this relationship. So maybe your person is taking out time to breathe, and you're trying to just seek spiritual guidance and see where exactly this relationship is taking them. You also need to do the same, so that you are able to give out better positivity in this relationship. And rest, I definitely see this relationship gaining, and I definitely see this relationship going further, in the right direction, but at the right time. Remember that things will happen when they have to happen. Things will only happen at the right time, whenever it is planned, whenever the universe, the almighty, the cosmos, everything is in the right, whenever it is written for you, it will happen. So no point pushing your person unnecessarily and creating a problem for you today. So live in the moment, enjoy yourself. You first need to just focus on your person and release their negativities. Give them some happy time of yours. So I hope the reading was resonant with you. You could leave your comments and feedback in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And also please just send in your comments for general readings, and I'll definitely randomly choose you and make videos for you. So thank you once again for dropping by my channel, and take care and stay safe.